Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's video, we're exploring another exciting automation technique. Get ready to learn how to automate your tasks like a pro. Let's get started.
So guys, if you want to copy the text from a web page or a document and then paste that text into a variable for further processing, then you can use the clipboard of your system. And if you want to copy the data from a source, means it could be a spreadsheet, Word file or anything, and you want to paste that data into a form fields on a website or any other or anywhere else, then you can also use this clipboard. And also if you want to transfer data from one application to another application, then also you can use that clipboard. You can copy the data into clipboard and paste the data into another application. So let's see a practical demonstration of how to use clipboard actions in Automation Anywhere A360. So we have three actions of clipboard package: copy from, copy to, clear. So one of the best practice which I will suggest is always clear the clipboard before writing the text into any other application. Means if you are writing a text from a variable to a application or at the end of your bot execution, always clear the clipboard, especially if you are copying something into your clipboard. Always clear the clipboard in the beginning and in the end of your bot, so that it will not copy any personal information or it will not store any data of the bot into the clipboard. Okay, so as its name suggests, we use this action to clear the data whichever is available in our clipboard. For example, if I go to this URL and I copy this URL, if I copy this and let me paste this, our clipboard contains this edit, and I want to clear my clipboard, so I will use this clipboard clear action. Let me run the bot. Alright, it has completed successfully. Let me close this and let me delete this and paste the data. Paste button is grayed out. We are unable to click on it. So our clipboard has cleared successfully. Now the next action is copy from clipboard. So if you want to copy the data from the clipboard and paste the data into variable, or if you want to store the data into variable, you can use this copy from action. Just you need to assign the variable. Automation will assign the clipboard's data to this variable. For example, if I go to this website and I copy some data, and we will copy that data into sample string variable, and at the end we will print that variable. I have copied the data. So let me show you. If I print the data here, if I paste the data here, we can see this paragraph has copied and it is available in the clipboard. So we will copy the data from the clipboard and store that data into sample string variable, and then we will paste, then we will print that data. So let me run the bot. And here we go, we can see this text. So this is how we can copy the text from the clipboard. And if we want to paste some data to clipboard, or if we want to store some data to clipboard, then we can use that another action, which is clipboard copy to. So in general, if we copy something, then automatically it will go to our clipboard. And if we want to do this process from Automation Anywhere A360, so we can use this action copy to, and here we need to give the value. For example, I want to give some value. I want to give this value, and it will assign this value to the clipboard, or it will store this value into the clipboard. So you can use this feature, for example, if you want to paste some data in a form field or somewhere. So, and you're unable to write that data with the help of a recorder action, then you can copy that value of the variable then you can assign that variable to the clipboard, and now clipboard will have that value. Then you can go to that particular form field and you can use control V, or you can use the other paste feature so that it will paste the value of the clipboard to this one, to that particular field. So we have successfully assigned this value to the clipboard. Let me use paste action. Let me paste that value. See, it has pasted this A360. So this is how we can use this.
That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Remember to explore our Automation Anywhere A360 and Blue Prism playlists for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Check out our blog for informative articles on RPA and automation best practices. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest trends and connect with other automation enthusiasts. Join our WhatsApp channel for job updates related to RPA tools and MNC companies. And if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to join our WhatsApp group and connect with experienced RPA professionals. See you in the next video.